In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Samsung tablet to keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up any keyboard that you have and connect it to a Samsung tablet. The method that I'm going to showcase in this video is going to be by using Bluetooth. I'm still gonna talk about other options that you have if your keyboard does not support Bluetooth connectivity, but most keyboards that are designed to be used with tablets and mobile devices will have it natively available. If yours doesn't, then keep watching until the end of the video. Keep in mind this process will also work for any other peripherals that you might have, so a mouse, earbuds, and so on. So all that you have to do to set it up with any model of Samsung tablet that you have is to go into the settings of the tablet and then access the Bluetooth category. So go to settings, then connections, and you will be able to find Bluetooth. Of course, make sure that it is enabled. And now you have to set up your keyboard. Like I said, most keyboards nowadays will either have a Bluetooth function, and the ones designed to be used with mobile devices will most likely have Bluetooth built in. All that you have to do is press a specific combination of buttons to put them into pairing mode. For this Logitech keyboard, you can notice that these keys here have the Bluetooth symbol next to them. So as long as you use these buttons, you will set the keyboard into pairing mode. If you are unsure about your specific keyboard model, check the manual. Once it is in pairing mode, it is going to appear under the list of available devices, as long as your tablet and the keyboard are in close proximity of each other. Now, all that you have to do is choose the keyboard. Usually, it is going to give you a PIN code. So this is just going to be a numerical sequence, and all that you have to do is press it in order on the keyboard and then press enter. This is just another additional step to verify the connection, and once it is established, it is going to be paired up. It is going to appear on this list over here, and you will be able to use it instead of the touch keyboard. You can also do the same steps to connect the mouse and other Bluetooth peripherals. If you don't have a Bluetooth connection, then you will either have to use a USB wired connection, so there will be a cable that originates from the keyboard and you plug the other end into the Samsung tablet, or you might have a USB wireless dongle. So this dongle will go into the tablet and you will be able to pair up your keyboard to the dongle to use it wirelessly. Once again, check the manual to see which connection types you have available on your specific keyboard. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung tablet to keyboard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.